What is up, guys? Long time no video. Didn't get the EDC videos out, but just got the JL cleaned up today and took the Freedom panels off for the first time. They were super easy to take off, and they're so much lighter than the JK panels. And the bag they give you for these is an actual functioning bag. I'll show you guys around here in the back. Here's a storage bag. It actually has foam padding here. We can unzip it. So some foam padding that they slide into down there, and then a piece of felt padding in the middle. So really impressed with the bag and how light the panels were. So the whole reason for the video, though, is I acquired an antenna that I'm going to put on it. I've always heard that anything less than a 13-inch, you'll lose signal reception. So this one's obviously 13-inch, and it's not flexible, so I'll go eventually to a flexible one, but got this one, so I figured I would try it out. So let's get the old one off and put that one on. This one here just screws off. I may actually have to get a wrench for that. Okay. Let's open this one and see how it fits. Not easy to do one-handed. There we go. Comes with another little piece that I'm not sure I'm gonna need. But let's see if we can get it out of the bag. Slides onto the antenna mast. Let's try it out and see what happens. So I'm leaving this little black ring on. We'll see if it's needed or not. Really don't think it will be. Actually, I don't think this ring's needed. Or the antenna just doesn't fit one or the other. Maybe it doesn't. Alright, I'm gonna put you guys down for a second. Alright, like I said, I acquired it. I didn't buy it, but it doesn't fit. So we're gonna put the Zorro antenna back on. Let's buy another bolt, but not really worth it, to be honest with you. Not to me, at least. So we're gonna screw this one back in, and we're gonna just roll on with that. Yeah. So antenna fell, but hey, you gotta try. All right, thanks for watching. As always, please like, subscribe, and comment down below.